Hello everyone, I'm Minal Lerkar working as assistant professor in AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today we are going to see the different types of arrays in PHP. There are three types of arrays supported in PHP. First one is numeric array, where the index is of kind numeric. Second is an associative array, where the array is nothing but a key value kind of pair. Okay. Third type of array is a multi-dimensional array, where array contains more than one array. Now we will see each type of array in details. Now the first type of array supported in PHP is the numeric array. So as I told you, numeric array is an array with numeric index, and by default array index starts from 0. So if you have observed here, the first index is 0. Okay, and the values are stored and accessed in a linear fashion. Okay, this means the first value is stored at index 0, second value is stored at index 1. Like that, we are going to store the values in linear fashion. Okay. Now, the second type of array is a associative array. When storing data about a specific named values, a numeric array is not always the best way to do. Okay. That is why there is a concept of association array. So association array is an array with string index, and this stores values in association with the key values rather than in a linear index order. So over here, if you have observed, instead of using numeric value, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are using a string. Okay. So marks obtained in the subject web technology. So the key is the name of the subject and the value is 87. Okay. Likewise, we are storing. So the marks in the SPOS subject. Okay. So SPOS is acting as a key and the value is 89. Okay. Now, the third type of array is the multi-dimensional array. It is an array of arrays. This means what? Key. Each element in the main array can be an array. The values in multi-dimensional arrays are accessed using multiple index. Okay. So over here, this is the example of the multiple array. So this is the two-dimensional array. Okay. So first dimension is this and second dimension is this. So whenever I am saying key array of 0, 0th row and the 0th index. So that is nothing but the Volvo. This is first row, second row, and third row. And this is 0th column, first column, and second column. So you can store the values like this. Array of 0, 0 is Volvo. Array of 0, 1 is 22. So likewise, you can store, or the second way for storing the values in multidimensional arrays, this make use of the array. So these are the three types of arrays supported in PHP.